The Chief Justice of Maine is highlighting the challenges and improvements for the state's court system.
She gave her annual address just this morning in Augusta. That's where we find State House reporter Christian Harsa live tonight.
Hi, Brian, Amanda. Chief Justice Valerie Stanfill spoke before both chambers of the State House as well as Governor Janet Mills. In her address, she talked about some challenges, many of which we've heard of before, such as tightened budgets, aging infrastructure, and the ongoing public defender shortage. However, the Chief Justice did not shy away from touting some of the accomplishments of her branch. Maine is now working to digitize its state court system. Maine e-Court, as it is known, is now live for all cases in 5 courts. This digital advancement is supposed to be rolled out to all courts for all cases by the end of 2026. While some courthouses have been temporarily or permanently closed, the justice touted work to remodel courthouses in Hancock, Somerset, and Androscoggin counties. The biggest talking point still, as it was last year, is the state's case backlog. The Chief Justice says since last year's address, the backlog has reduced from nearly 1,200 cases last year to fewer than 300. Chief Justice Stanfill says that is still not acceptable.
This shouldn't be a statistic that we're tracking at all. No one should be having to wait for an attorney appointed to represent them in cases in which there are significant rights and liberty interests at stake. Every case matters.
Along with her supplemental budget, Governor Mills suggested a one-time use of $25 million from the Budget Stabilization Fund to pay private lawyers to help cover defense cases. Today, State House Republicans said they would have to look closer to determine if the case backlog qualifies as an emergency to unlock that funding.
But, we've traditionally supported issues with the judiciary and making sure we're upholding our constitutional obligations there.
So the legislature holds the power of the purse, meaning that they dictate what funding available the judiciary has for its priorities. Now, the Chief Justice made it clear that she is hoping for some more funding, but somewhat jokingly admitted that might be something that waits for the 133rd legislature. Brian and Amanda.